want some sauce?
Scene 1, Apple, take 1.
What's up everybody, how's it going out there? So in this video we're going to be making some stuffed chicken. It's almost going to be like a roulade, but it's going to be stuffed chicken breast. Now if the chicken breast was real big, I could just go ahead and cut down the middle of it. But in this case I'm going to make it more like a roulade. So I'm going to move these guys to the side and get a piece of saran wrap, put it on top of the chicken breast here, and I'm going to pound it flat. And we're that's essentially what we want, is a squished piece of breast. So now we can put something in there, roll it up, and we're good. What we need is a little bit of bacon. And that's probably enough for what we're going to be doing. And what we want to do is we want to go ahead and we want to cut this stuff up into small pieces. Okay. Now these are obviously going to shrink when we start cooking it, but essentially really what we want is just a little bit of bacon flavor, and we want some bacon fat. Now I've mentioned to you guys before that a lot of times when I'm doing things like this, I'll just break out the scissors and cut it up because it's a lot easier with a pair of scissors, but this right here is going to work, and that knife needs to be sharpened. And we want to render this fat down, so that's why you want to do it on a low setting. You don't want to do this on a high heat. Slow and steady wins the race. So our bacon is fried up, we got the grease out, and now we can actually start putting together our pieces of chicken. Ground black pepper, a little bit of salt. You can use whatever cheese you want. In this particular case I'm going to be putting some ricotta inside here, and a little bit of Parmesan inside here. You put the vegetable of your choice. In this particular case I'm going to be putting some spinach. This is semi-thawed spinach. Some of our bacon pieces, and I'm putting a little bit of tomato inside here as well. Now at this point we need to kind of roll this up and make it where it's not going to end up emptying itself all over the place, which isn't always easy to do. Throw this in the pan. We want this to brown up. So you try to fry it on each side as well as it is willing to. And we're going to end up using this oil and stuff that's on the bottom of the pan to end up making our sauce, which is going to be half tomato sauce and like a half of a gravy, somewhat. Okay, let's make a sauce. So I've got some tomatoes, can of tomato right here. I'll take a little bit of ricotta cheese and put it in here. Parmesan. Black pepper, a little bit of salt, a touch of thyme, parsley flakes, a touch of oregano, not too much, a little bit of onion powder, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of basil. Let's give it a stir. We can always add more cream or milk or something to this to whiten it up even more, if you are so inclined. But we want to bring this up to temperature, get all of everything well incorporated. And of course you could also add butter to that if you want to, which would actually be a nice thing, but I've got so much here I don't think I'm going to need that. Well, that's that, guys. Until next time, I will talk to you later because my battery is about to die.